the boy now way be go pick up. They say way be for him. And after you don't know what they inside the way be. When
way be like they send something.
They send like when person send you way be. Don't say person say I go pick up way be for park. I want see the boy go pick up.
You know why they say make it carry their go sapele.
Yes. So this Usman, so let's say now bad person. Maybe
you know what made them know get the way be.
Maybe I'm telling you now what the guy I'm yeah. So the guy say carry me go sapele. So now that way be so. What did they send? I come.
My friend send me.
My person send that. I go send him message say Peter baby go pick up way before God is good. I go free park. Now what this guy go do so? As pick up way be so. Where they go now they come home. Because if I say you go away, you know go open and not you know what to be inside.
And the boy no.
That's why they taking this boy now. Okay. So as soon as say they not kill this boy, they can't go station go do investigation. And the boy don't say they can't go start play. Person will send down. You understand? Now not only that, after he stand for that place finish, the boy never die you. The people inside Siena, not only other officers, there about 5 of them inside Siena. As they reach the area command office, where ACP Aliu Shaba the head. I saw this same plan again. So Usman Nuhu constant fire like three shots for station. Come to the boy finally. So it's all early, but don't make the boy come, make the boy talk what happened. How then take some go collect the baby.
And now so they come out the guy for RRS. So
this Usman,
yes, from RRS they can go Ila.
He did work with us before now.
Yes.
You know say now where them ban stars because of this.
See the picture now. See the picture.
The same thing now too.
Oyeka, I saw the kill.
I saw the kill Oyeka for our road now. For our road, I saw the kill Oyeka now. But we no agree. You see this one? I
didn't say no video now.
Harrison Gwamnishu said that the young man that was killed was sent by someone to go and collect way bill. After the young man collected that way bill, the police stopped him on the way. And after they searched that way bill, they saw weapons inside. So the police officers tied the hands of that young man. And the man was begging them, telling them that he will take them to Sapele to go and meet that his friend that sent him to collect that way bill. That he know nothing about the way bill. Person where you arrest, the person they tell you say, he go carry you, go show you people where they involved for that thing. But instead, that officer shot the boy dead. For broad daylight, will not be saying for night. Daylight like this for afternoon on Sunday night he killed that young man. Police officers na people where be say if they catch person say the person a suspect and the suspect they tell them say make he carry them go show them people where they involved for that crime where they accuse them of. Police not go kill that person. Nigeria police na police where be say the more people they arrest, the more money they make. They believe say if they catch more criminals, then they will be promoted to a higher rank. Now wetin those police officers supposed to do, they are supposed to carry that young man, go and meet that person that he's talking about in Sapele and arrest the person that sent the young man to go and collect way bill for him. But instead, that police officer called Usman Nuhu shot the young man to death. Harrison Gwamnishu said that when they took the body of the young man to their station, that same officer called Usman Nuhu shot the young man 3 times again. He just want to make sure say he killed the young man. From the look of things, it shows that this is not the first time that this officer Nuhu have been killing people in Delta State. He don't tell where this man dey into this business by killing our youths. The idiots standing by him, other officers that are killing people like him, none of them say may they stop Officer Nuhu from shooting that young man. Instead, all of them stand for that place. The guy crack gun, kill that young man. Person they tell you say he won't go show you person wey send am the way bill. You no care to know the person wey send am way bill to arrest that person wey send am. Make una interrogate the person, ask and say, why you dey bring guns enter the state? What you take gun they do? No be that one officer who won here. him own na to make sure say he kill the boy and silence him. Let's listen to the public relations officer of Delta State called Mr. Bright Edafe. Listen to him.
They quickly arrested the guy and tied him to his back and called the area commander, Effurun area command, who now mandated a team, a surveillance team, led by this ASP, to go and bring the suspect. The instruction was very clear. Go and bring the suspect. That was the instruction. So one would wonder why a suspect who is not a threat to you, a suspect who is already tied to his back, a suspect who was begging for his life, you tried to shoot him the first time, it did not work, you removed your magazine, arrange it again and shoot him for the second time. It is not explainable, it is not pardonable. And I want members of the public to know that the police does not cover officers like that. I'm very sure that guy will have his day in court and will face murder charges. I'm very sure.
You all have heard what Mr. Bright Edafe said. He said that the area command instructed Usman Nuhu and his men to bring that suspect to their station. But instead, Usman Nuhu shot the young man to death. This thing shows say he get wetin that Usman Nuhu dey hide. For foreign countries, before police go shoot person, it's either that person carry cutlass or gun, they wan attack police, then the police has every right to shoot that person. But this one, the person wey he shoot, they tie him hand go back. He not fight any police officer, he not injure any police officer, but instead he was killed. Is that not jungle justice? Extrajudicial killing. You just dey kill people like say nothing human being be again for this life. The third guy that joined Harrison Gwamnishu and the other guy said that that was the same way a young man called Onyeka was killed in Anwai Road. This thing shows say these police officers now so that they kill our youths for this south. Now so they still they kill our youth for southeast. We have been hearing of Tiger Base in Imo State, where parents and relatives of people where they don't kill for that Tiger Base, they cry say their son enter this Tiger Base for months, they never see him. And after some time, officers for that Tiger Base go call the families of that person, tell them say make una come carry una pikin body o, una pikin don die. But when the parents of that person come there, they look for their pikin, una go tell them say their pikin not there here o. Go Imo State, make people they tell you how their relative don't die inside that Tiger Base. The same thing they happen for Okuzo in Anambra State. Say now so, SARS for that place, they kill people. The police officer called Usman Nuhu, they talk say, na former member of SARS before. Say that day for SARS, they kill people that time. After end SARS protests, the federal government of Nigeria thought say they don't end SARS. Na lie yo. They did not end any SARS. All those officers where they for SARS, they put them for another section of Nigeria police. They kind of put for another unit. Make it be like say they don't end SARS. All these police officers where we say you go see that they go wear jeans, they go wear shoe, carry gun. These officers have been killing our youths in this southern Nigeria. These officers go see young man wey carry motor, they go stop him. You be Yahoo boy, if you not pay us money, we go carry you go station. The young man will come, they beg them, okay, how much I need? They go tell the young man, bring 500,000, bring 1 million naira. I know so many young men for this Delta State where don't pass through this thing where all these criminals, so when I carry gun give, they call them officers, they do. They go just wear jeans, wear shoe, like cultists, carry gun. For Delta State, now so they go there for roadblock. If young men just they pass, if they see all these people, their mind go fly. If you hold 2 phones for hand, problem. If you drive better motor, problem. If you carry dreadlock, problem. We go stand for my road like this. You go see one of those officers go carry the boy, go the side of the road. The boy go come dey press phone, they do transfer for them. This one not be transfer of 20,000 naira. This is transfer of 200,000, 500,000, 1 million to bail himself from these criminals where federal government carry gun they give. When they do EndSARS some time ago, so many police officers lost their lives. And that's because angry youths caught some police officers and killed them. I saw videos where some police officers were burnt to ashes during that EndSARS protest. Nigeria police, make una do everything possible and make sure you stop all this set of police officers that are killing people, because if that thing start again, una just dey look this matter like say na small thing na. If that kind of protest start again, so many police officers will lose their lives. Youths are angry. No youth will go see that video where go they happy. Now all this kind of thing na SARS they do that year where make Nigeria youths stage that EndSARS protest. Now end police protest they go come do very soon. This thing is too much. The other day, myself and Deputy Jesus they go Onitsha to go meet with Ibwezwe. On our way, police check our bus, they can't stop us. They tell me to come down, I come down. The first question where the police officer asked me now, are you a cultist? So, if to say I be cultist, I'll come down and say, yes, I'm a cultist. Just imagine an embarrassing question. You go just stop young man. The first way you go ask him now, are you a cultist? I tell him, no, I'm not a cultist. He started to ask me, are you a Yahoo boy? I say, no, I'm not a Yahoo boy. The next thing, he started to tell me, say, give us money now make we take. I tell him, say, money where I hold. Now money where I want to take pay my transport from Asaba to Onitsha. The next thing what the policeman do now, he grabbed me for my belt. They drag me. Oh. This thing why they talk so, he never reached 2 weeks. This thing why they talk now, it happened for under flyover for Upper Iweka. As Deputy Jesus got to tell the police officer, why you dey drag my brother? What he do you? You no go leave him. As the matter don dey turn to big argument, now the police officer leave me. He asked me, what is your job? I tell him, say, I'm a blogger. Yet, he dey look for every means to arrest me. So that I go start to beg am, make I do transfer for them. They go talk say, transfer 50,000, transfer 100,000, transfer 200,000 to free yourself. You not do anything, no, but all these police officers, they go put fear in you for you to do transfer to them. If you don't do transfer to them, they go carry you go station, label you, say you be kidnapper, say you follow for people go kidnap, say you be cultist, say you be this, say you be that. This is what our youths are suffering in the south and in the southeast. Instead of our bloggers, where they for this southern Nigeria, to they talk about all these things, they busy, they talk, send me the video. I will post the video very soon. Come to my Telegram channel. Una they do irrelevant things online. Police officers are busy killing our youths. This officer will kill that young man now. His name na Usman Nuhu. A northerner, possibly Hausa person. Since I dey for this country, I never hear say police officer kill a youth in northern Nigeria. If any police officer try and say he kill any youth for northern Nigeria, places like all those Kano, Sokoto, before other police officers go come say wetin happen, the youth for that area don burn that police officer to ashes. Some time ago in northern Nigeria, some police officers arrested a young man there and they took him to their station and locked him up inside their cell. After some time, the young man died inside cell. The youth of that community got angry, entered that police station, dragged out the DPO of that police station and stoned him to death. All of them carry stone. They stoned this man till the man died. As that thing happened, army no go that place say they go kill those youths. Police no go that place say they go kill those youths. Nothing happened. The matter just die like that. If to say na for southern Nigeria, now our youths kill DPO. Before you go know wetin dey happen, army, police, all the security agencies from Abuja, they go come our land for here, start to dey kill our youths. They go arrest the elders of that community, the leaders of that community, the king of that community, they go pack all of them, they go Abuja. You don't go ever hear say police officer kill anybody for northern Nigeria. They will never try such a thing. Now for southern Nigeria, they get that mind. And that's because our governors, senators, House of Reps members, leaders, they no care. There is no unity in southern Nigeria. Southern Nigeria not even get wetin e be say all our leaders come together to protect the lives of our citizens. They no go try am now because they have so much hate for Ndigbo. Anything wey be say if they do am, e go favor Ndigbo. They no go wan do am. As I talk Ndigbo now, some people go talk say how we take concern Ndigbo. Ndigbo wey be say so many tribes and ethnic nationalities for this southern Nigeria not like Ndigbo. How you think say they go wan do something collectively in favor of the entire southern Nigeria where be say the thing involve Ndigbo? They not go wan do am. If Ndigbo talk say make we speak with one voice, they go talk say Igbo people they want to take over our land. IPOB they want to take unity to enter also. That time where SARS they kill youths for southwest, south and for southeast. Youth come start to dey protest say SARS is killing us in the south o. SARS dey kill us for southern Nigeria o. As youth start to dey protest for end SARS, northern youths did not join that protest. No state for northern Nigeria where their youths join that protest. Why? That is because SARS is not killing northern youths. If SARS member try kill any northern youth, he will be burnt to ashes. This one na fact. They can only try all those rubbish in southern Nigeria. You not ever see northerners they complain of police brutality. You not ever see northerners they complain say SARS they kill them. The only problem where they for northern Nigeria now all these bandits and terrorism. That is the only insecurity issue in northern Nigeria. For south here, Fulani herdsmen they kill us, army they kill us, police they kill us, bandits and terrorists they kill us for southern Nigeria. Why they not go kill us? Why be say our governors for here na people they choose them for us. If to say we dey do state police, this idiot called Nuhu from northern Nigeria can never be a police officer in the south. We need state police so that we gonna say our police officers now from this our place. Our police officers can be given orientation. Our governors go to talk to our police officers say mind how you use your gun. No kill person, no kill person. But police officers in our states are not answerable to our governors. They are answerable to Abuja. That is why they are doing anyhow in the south, killing people up and down. So many police officers for northern Nigeria, they know they like work for northern Nigeria because money not dey that place for that their work, in the sense that no Hausa person gets time to give police officer money to free am. I not do anything, you arrest me. Okay, take 50,000, take 100,000. They not get time to beg police with money. And that is why police work for that place is very boring. Money not dey inside. So many of those police officers, they pay money for them to be transferred from northern Nigeria to southern Nigeria here. Because they don't think they stop any young man, one arrest them. The young man go want pay money to go. Northerners not get that time to pay money, make them go. Police officers for southern Nigeria, yeah, they will just see young man, they go want arrest them. No be cultist, no be kidnapper, no be bandit, nothing. You go just see him, one arrest him. You go try to dey put fear for him body so that you go start to dey beg you to free him. May he give you money. This is what officers are doing in southern Nigeria. They do this thing for southeast, they do this thing for south. Enter road now, say you dey go Rivers State or you dey go Enugu State. Now so police checkpoint you go dey see. Police checkpoint everywhere, yet bandits and terrorists are kidnapping people in the highway. Money not the police work for northern Nigeria because Aboki no get time to give you money. If police officer for northern Nigeria they harass any northerner, you go see so many other northerners for there. They go gather that police officer. Now Chuku go save him. If Chuku not save him, he go die before the matter will even reach station. You don't intimidate northerners. Even for south here, police no dey even fit arrest all these northerners where they here. And that is because the government of northern Nigeria, they make sure say their people are being protected all over Nigeria. They are being protected in the north. They are being protected in the south. Our own leaders for southern Nigeria, they no care for the life of their people. Go Anambra State, the security groups where Soludo creates now so that they kill Anambra people. The only state for south is where this thing where Officer Nuhu do so not good day possible. Now for Abia State, because Governor Alex Oti of Abia State, the way he dey protect the life of Abia people is too much. See protests where they do last time for Abia State where Sowore organized. Nobody was killed by the Nigerian army. Nigerian army they there, they whole gone. They not kill one person. If to say that for Anambra State, now so army go start to reshoot all those protesters because Soludo na governor where be say he not even care for the life of Anambra people. This police officer now where they call Usman Nuhu. These are what these police people they tell say he will face the law. Pata na 5 years he go dey for prison. 10 years he go dey for prison. After some time he go come out. Now not an him be. He say not an so matter not dey for that place. The guy go soon come out for prison. That is if they go send and go prison. Oh. Nigeria police make una dey careful. You people should mind the kind of officers that you are giving guns. Officer wey be say he dey violent, remove him from the police. Stop putting this kind of officers in Nigeria police. Because if any protest start again, that protest feel worse past EndSARS, and it will endanger the lives of those police officers that are not bad. A word is enough for the wise. Ishiagwale.